In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam. This trick I'm about to show you works on both iPhone and Android. Let's dive in and check it out. To get started, open your preferred web browser, then type WebCam into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official WebCam website from the search results. Scroll down the page. You'll find a section labeled Get the PC Client. Click Windows Setup. Once it's downloaded, open your File Explorer. Double-click the installer to run it. Follow the installation steps and click Finish when it is done. On your phone, open the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type WebCam. Find the WebCam app and tap Install. I previously installed it, so I will tap on this. Once installed, tap Open. Tap Continue and OK to allow WebCam access to a camera and microphone. Back to your computer, open the WebCam app, then click Add a device. If your phone doesn't automatically appear, click Refresh Device List a few times. If it still doesn't show up, you can manually add it by entering a device name like the phone you are using and the IP address displayed on your phone. Mine automatically appear. I will select it and click Add Selected Device. On your phone, look for the camera icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap it to choose which camera, front or back, you want to use. Now, if you open any video app on your computer, your phone should not appear as a webcam. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide useful. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials like this.